Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Nitrix. Below is a detailed review of the GAMEMT Jellymini E5 handheld console gaming device based on our hands-on video review. Recently, GAMEMT Technology released a new widescreen vertical handheld console, GAMEMT Jellymini E5. The Jellymini E5 uses a 5-inch narrow-edge IPS display that is fully equipped with a resolution of 270 by 1280 pixels. Design and build. The E5 features a built-in 5-inch display, making it extremely portable. The build quality is solid, with ergonomic design elements that ensure comfortable use during extended gaming sessions. It also acts as a power bank, which increases its usefulness. The manufacturer has released a variety of colors, but has not revealed the final color lineup. The portable console supports HDMI screen display and Bluetooth controller connection, and can be used as a host computer to connect to TV. The battery capacity is 6,000 mAh, supports 17 watts fast charging, and can be used as a power bank to support reverse charging. Supports Linux and Android dual system switching. In other aspects, the E6 Plus will also include a hall rocker with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI output port, headphone jack, and OTG power port. Performance. The device delivers smooth gaming performance and handles a variety of games and emulators well. It has good internal specifications that allow for a satisfying gaming experience, although it may struggle with demanding games. Battery life. Being a portable controller and a power bank, battery life is crucial. The E5 offers respectable battery life for gaming, but using it as a power bank can drain the battery faster. Users may need to balance these functions depending on their priorities. The E5 is compatible with a wide range of games and emulators, adding to its appeal. However, there are some limitations, and not all games may work perfectly. The E5 is compatible with a wide range of games and emulators, adding to its appeal. However, there are some limitations, and not all games may work perfectly. In terms of pros and cons, compact and portable, dual function as gaming device and power bank, good build quality and ergonomic design, smooth performance for most games. On the other hand, there are disadvantages of the device. Battery life can be an issue when used as a power bank. Not all games are fully compatible. The GAMEMT Jellymini E5 is a versatile device ideal for gamers who need a portable solution with the added benefit of a power bank. Its compact design and performance make it a strong contender in the portable gaming market, despite some limitations related to battery life and gaming compatibility.